lecture of standard 8 and subject is your favorite. This is the lecture number 1 of your poem number 2. Today we are going to start the poem geography lesson. So you will have question that, ma'am, is this subject English or SS? It means your social studies. But don't worry, by this geographical part we are going to go in the language part, and the poet has given a wonderful message, right, by this poem. One thing also, there is the mystery at end of this poem. The poet is just putting question on us, right, and he want to have answer from us, and we are supposed to give answer. Obviously you all are very intelligent, so you will have answer. The poem I have divided for the better clarification in 3 parts. First, the city from the sky, the logic of geography, and the mystery. So first of all, we will have the city from the sky. In the first stanza of this poem, poet describes his city, right? So poet is describing his city. He tells us how it appears from the window of airplane. Right? We all have already. मुझे पता है कि means I'm not sure कि आप में से सब बैठे होंगे कि नहीं बैठे होंगे plane में, but generally nowadays it is very usual thing to have, right, traveling in a plane. So window, he tells us how it appears from the window of an aeroplane. It is clear that the city development just as it was necessary for people. The development of city is very necessary for the people. Why? Because people want to live there. They want to have business there, and they want to have their own growth in the city. That's why only we can see the clear development of city, right? Cities have been developed. It was necessary for people, so what looked haphazard on ground looked inevitable from the sky. Whenever we are going in a street, so sometimes we are feeling that it is in a haphazard way, that one street is going there, so many buildings, these and those, or whatever the things, right? So many societies, flats, tenement and shops and complexes. But whenever you are going at some height, so from the airplane, from the window, you are feeling that inevitable from the sky. So in ground, whenever we are at land, so we are feeling that in a haphazard way. So whenever we are going for some height, we are feeling that, oh my god, how it is just being made, how it is constructed, the way is not good, right? The way is not good, and जहाँ पे मन किया वहाँ पे ये बिल्डिंग बना दी, ये बिल्डिंग बना दी, थोड़े ऊपर जाए तो ऐसा लगता है, right? एरोप्लेन में पता है ना, धीरे 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 हाइट में जाते हैं. So this is the first, that the city from the sky, it is look like a haphazard, right? In a haphazard way. Now we are going for the logic of geography. This is very important part of yours of the poem. Now the plane rises to height of 10,000 feet. ये याद रखना है खास, right? Whenever he was able to see haphazard city, at that time he was below to 10,000 feet. Now the poet can see logic of geography. He can see the cities and valleys are populated along the river. This is so important. Now, I hope that you already have learned, because you are in the 8th standard. You all have learned in essays that half human beings have started to live together. Right? पहले सबसे पहले एक ने अपना घर बनाया, फिर one by one so many people are gathered, and after that they made first of all village, then town, then township, then cities, right? Then states, and it means by the time they are developing, or they are just covering huge area. But if you go to the base of that, so we know that where there was a river, right, near to the river, human beings have started to live and started to make their house. Why? Because they are providing both, right, water and land. See, land and water together that attracts the people, right? So whatever the necessity we are having to live a life, it means water, air तो कहीं पे मिल जाएगी, right? Water and खाना तो पड़ेगा ना जीने के लिए. So रिवर नजदीक में होगी तो क्या है कि हम जो भी क्रॉप्स उगा रहे हैं, राइट, जो भी कुछ हम फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे इजीली हम वाटर को ले जा सकते हैं. एंड जहाँ पे रिवर हो उसकी आजू बाजू की जितनी भी जमीन होगी वो बहुत ही अच्छी होगी, राइट, फ्रूटफुल होगी. तो क्या होगा कि जो भी आप क्रॉप्स उगा रहे हो तो वो क्या होगा, फटाफट से उग जाएंगे. कहीं पे पानी लेके यहाँ पे ये करना वो भी जो भी झंझट है वो नहीं रहेगी. So that's why river and land, it means water and land, that attracted people to live beside that. So whenever the poet is going in aeroplane and just crossing near about 10,000 feet, so poet can see the logic of geography. And what was the logic? That now poet is able to see that where I can see maximum population, right, near to the river, near in the valley. So when the plane raises still higher 6 miles up, right, and you have to remember this. The earth look round, see, and after that the earth is looking round, what the shape is. From that height it is clear that the earth has more sea than land. ये खास. It means हम ये आपको मैं प्लेन में बैठे बिना आप कैसे कर सकते हो वो मैं आपको बता दूँ. All of you are having your father's mobile or mother's mobile you are using, right? I know this. So you can do one thing, right? With permission of your parents, take mobile, go in Google Maps. First of all, do zoom and go to your house. It is showing us the real house, right? So it will show you the street number and street house number and house name, and so it is looking like so messy that every near about there are many shops, many places. Then थोड़ा zoom out करो तो थोड़ा बाहर आएंगे, फिर से zoom out करो तो city दिखेगा. Then again zoom out, you will be able to the names of states of India, right? It means Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, नीचे जाओ तो केरल, ऊपर जाओ तो जम्मू कश्मीर, right, Punjab and like that. फिर again do zoom out, again do zoom out. It means that what you will be able to see. Can you tell me? Yes, now you are able to see the countries, right? You will be able to see the countries where is the sea, the name of a sea. Again zoom out. It means you will be able to see now only the earth. The same thing is happening with the poet. Poet is telling that previously I was able to see the houses because he was on the ground. Then in a haphazard way how development has been made. Now development has been made near about the rivers, right? Population we can find in the cities and valleys which are near to rivers. And obviously it is land and water which has been attracted to the people. When the plane rises still higher 6 miles up, the earth looks round. From that height it is clear that the earth has more sea than land. So this is the scientific truth, right? I'm not just adding anything in this, right? We know that sea is consuming more area than land on the earth. However, right, these are very logical geography, right? These are scientific facts. But one question is unanswered. Which is the question? That however it's difficult to understand why people hate, kill one another, right? So what is the reason, right? आप नीचे से देखो, बीच में से देखो, 6 miles दूर जाके देखो, जहाँ से भी देखो, but one question is unanswered, that people had and killed one another. Why? Right? This is the mystery. So we are going to the last part of this poem. That is the mystery. Thus it is very easy to to understand the logic of geography from a height, but it's very difficult to understand why humans hate one another. And this mystery remains still and till the poem ends. So the poet is asking to us, right? These kind of things are called as open-ended things. Now we have to think from ourselves that what can be the reason that people are hating to each other, they are killing to one another, why? What are the reasons? Right? So we have to think ourselves. We have to work on this, that why people are doing such thing. Right? Prejudice रखते हैं ना कि इसने मेरे साथ 5 साल पहले ये किया था तो अब मैं उसका क्या करूँगा, बदला लूँगा या लूँगी. So this is what we are thinking, right? इसमें सब आ जाता है, दुनिया में जितने लोग रहते हैं सब आ जाते हैं. But if we will just try to forgive someone or something, then we can be happy and people cannot hate each other. So this is not only one or two people, all the people of the country, of the world, they have to accept this and they have to do the same, then and then only we can say that we can have answer of this very difficult question, that why human being hate one another. So I hope that first begin should be from home. कोई भी काम करे या किसी और को बोले कि ये काम करना है तो सबसे पहला स्टार्ट कहाँ से होना चाहिए, अपने घर से. राइट? हम जैसा है स्वच्छता मिशन था, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान था, राइट, क्लीन इंडिया मिशन. So in that we know that first of all directly we are not going out to cleaning the society, but first step should be starts with home. तो पहले घर क्लीन होना चाहिए, after that society would be clean, after that city will be clean, after that state, after that country, after that continent, and after that the whole earth. Right? So this is what first of all we have to start this. Stop to hate each other, stop to kill each other. After that we have to spread this good message, this positive message to each and everyone, so that we can have the world full of happiness. Right? In Sanskrit we are having Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Right? So unity is a power. So we have to believe in that and we have to spread this good message. So this was the poem all about this very good message, that what we have to do and what we have to spread in whole world, the goodness, the kindness, the unity, right? So this was our geography lesson. So here we are ending this poem also, very easy poem and very easy to understand poem. So goodbye, take care, have a nice day, thank you.
आभार।